Welcome back. Well, pets, and more pets. The Pet Expo is coming back to Orange County at the Orange County Fairgrounds, and I have Jennifer Becker who's here to tell us all about it. Lots and lots of pets.
There are thousands of animals. We have, like Ken said, we have tarantulas to reptiles with Repticon. We even have a sea lion show this year, the Sea Lion Splash, that features rescued sea lions throughout the West Coast.
Now, so they get them from all different places?
Correct, yes.
Okay. All right, so the one that we have in Orange County, that they rehabilitate some sea lions, would they be there too?
They very well could be, because this is a company, they tour the show, and their main purpose is to educate the public in a fun way through this show. So. Okay,
and then what will people be able to do with the sea lions? Do they feed them?
No, they don't feed them, but it's just a really fun, entertaining show to watch.
Okay, and what other some exciting things?
So we have cooks racing hogs and dogs. So the hogs race, and then the dogs. And at the end of the race, they get a cute little ice cream treat. Oh, we have Joe Crothwall. He's a Las Vegas performer. He has an exotic bird show. He's returning. Okay. And we just have thousands of animals, birds, dogs, cats. TICA, the International Cat Association, they'll be showing their specialty breeds and presenting them all weekend long. Okay. So, I mean, just come on out. The Anaheim Police Department's going to be there showcasing their police and protection dogs. Okay. And we have splash dogs too, the dock diving dogs.
Oh, fun. Now we're actually looking at some video now. So we've got the bird, so that would be the bird show, right?
That would be the bird show. That's actually a special parakeet enclosure where you can go in and the birds actually come to you and you can hold them and pet them.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's really fun. It's an enclosed aviary.
So how much interaction can people have with the animals that they're seeing?
You know, really as much as they want. So as you see with the birds will come to you. We have so many rescues with cats and dogs, and people are really encouraged to go pet the animals. And well, actually we have a turtle and tortoise club of Orange County is going to be there with their sulcata tortoises. Oh. And that's very interactive. You can go into their enclosure and you can actually touch the turtles.
Oh, that's great, because I didn't think you really could in general.
Yeah,
right?
You can touch their shells. So, yeah.
So they wouldn't actually let you hold them.
Well, if some of the turtles inside Repticon, if you put your hand out and you can just put them on your hand if they're small enough. And same with like tarantulas. And
yeah, well, no, that would not be me, as Ken indicated.
Small lizards.
I don't want.
No.
Yeah. Well, lizards and some snakes, I'm not so worried about. It's the tarantula, though. You said you were holding one not too long ago.
I was. Yeah, we were doing an appearance yesterday, and OC Reptile Rescue was out, and they brought a huge, reticular python snake. Oh. Yeah, and then a tarantula, and then also a pixie frog, which is one of those oversized bullfrogs.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, so there's just so many animals to see. And then we also have a petting zoo too. So if you want to go in, mini farm animals, cute little lambs, mini donkeys. Okay. So there's just a ton of stuff to see.
So something to do, something for everyone.
Something for everybody. Okay. So yeah, it's great for 2 to 200.
So good for the parents and grandparents
most
and children.
Definitely.
Okay.
Most definitely, yeah.
Now it is on the fairgrounds, right?
Correct, yeah, OC Fair and Event Center.
All right.
And I do encourage everyone to arrive early, because last year we had more than 47,000 people walk through the fairground gates. Okay. So it's a very popular event, and we're expecting the same type of crowd this year. Okay. And also we want to let everybody know to leave their pets at home. So.
Oh, well, that's a good point. You know, pets are everywhere now, so that in particular might be problematic for the animals that are already there, right?
Exactly. Okay. We have so many animals already on site through the rescues and our interactive exhibits and shows that we just want to keep everyone this is an event for humans. So.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about the rescues that you do have. I mean, it's a lot of dog rescues, and I know you had a list, and you said there'll be lots represented there. Does that mean that people can adopt while they're there?
Most definitely. Last year we had more than 500 animals adopted out throughout the 3-day show. So it's an amazing opportunity for local area rescues throughout Southern California to really come and bring their cats and dogs and introduce them to the public. And people come and they're looking for an animal to bring into their home. So. Okay.
And then if you were to highlight just a couple things that you think are, well, new would obviously be the sea lions,
definitely,
right?
Yeah.
But what are some of your favorites?
You know, I really like the cat show. I'm a cat person. I think it's so much fun to watch all the cats being displayed, and they brush them and, you know, present them so regally. So that's fun. And then the shopping too. I mean, we have hundreds of exhibitors. So if you're looking for that special outfit for your dog or that cat shirt, it's at the Pet Expo.
Okay, so everything pets.
Everything
no matter
pets.
What, anything
yes,
you can think of.
Everything pets. And then we've got all the great fair food too. So hot dog on a stick, ice cream, you name it. Funnel cake, it's there. So
well, it sounds wonderful. And that's on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday?
Correct, yes.
Okay.
Yes. It opens at 10 a.m. each day.
All right. Oh, so 10 a.m. till when?
Friday, 10 to 6. Saturday, 10 to 7, and Sunday, 10 to 6.
Okay, and then if I know you mentioned maybe buying tickets beforehand. Is that better to do that than being there?
You know, either way, you can get tickets in advance, or you can walk up to the box office, whatever's most convenient for people. So,
okay, all right, so that is going to be April 28th. No, is that the correct dates?
Oh, that's actually last year's.
Oh, so, that's the wrong one. Okay, so it's actually next weekend.
Next weekend.
Which is
April
here we go. 27th.
There we go. Yep, right there.
Oh, there it is, 27th, 28th, and 29th.
Correct, yes.
And if they have any questions at all, do you have a number that they can contact?
They just go to petexpooc.org, and the main contact line is there. So.
Okay, all right, good. Now, we have two free tickets that we're going to give away to the first person that sends us an email to village.television@vmsinc.org on your screen. So make sure you get that, and that's a good value, and that's good for any of the days, right?
Any of the days, yep.
Okay, perfect. All right, very good. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for having us. So we hope to see all your viewers out at the Pet Expo next weekend.
I hope they come. It sounds really fun.
It is so much fun.
Thanks for being here.
Oh, thank you.
All right, don't forget that is the 27th, 28th, and 29th. So that's next weekend, and that's at the Orange County Fairgrounds. We'll be right back after this.